Hello everyone. Today I'm going to create a quick tutorial to explain how to block and allow IP addresses with Windows Firewall. So simply go to Windows Defender Firewall, then click Advanced Settings, and from here we have to go to Inbound Rules. From here we have to create a new rule. Let's click Custom Rule. Next, leave this as it is. Click Next. Okay, Next. Here, customize the interface types to which this rule applies. This is a remote IP addresses that will apply, and we have to use these IP addresses. Click Add. Let's type the IP. I'm going to type random IP 192.168.0.12. This is just an IP we found here. Okay, let's copy this. Click Next. Click Next. Click Plug this connection. This is when does this rule apply? The main, private, and public. So just leave this as it is. Click Next. You give a random name, so the name black IP you are blocking, and give a description if you want, and finish. If we go here, inbound rules, we have blocked the IP. Alright, same thing for outbound rules. New rules. Here, custom, next, next, next. This IP address, click Add. Let's use the same IP I have just used in the previous one. Hit Next, Next. Block this connection. Don't forget this action here, because this one will block the connection. Next, rules, name, and this is, we're going to add the same name like you did for the first one. IP you want to block. Click Finish. So we have outbound rules, we have blocked this IP, and inbound rules, we have blocked this IP. We can delete that because this is just a test. Thank you for watching my video. Hit like and subscribe for more quick videos.